The Bullitt Center, located on 15th and Madison in the heart of Capitol Hill, is the greenest commercial office building in the world. The Bullitt Center is a part of the Living Building Challenge, a sustainable certification program that requires a building to be self-sustaining for 365 days in order to earn certification. The center has a goal of net zero water and energy.
The Bullitt Center is pursuing net zero water, which means that we're trying to use rainwater for every purpose in the building, including drinking. We're still working on regulatory approval to drink rainwater.
The roof of the center, constructed out of solar panels, is designed to operate like the Douglas fir forest that once covered Capitol Hill. The solar panels are built to be thin and include gaps, mimicking a tree canopy and collecting rainwater. From the membrane roof, the water is transported to a 56,000-gallon concrete cistern.
Behind that wall, there is a 56,000-gallon cistern. So the rainwater hits the roof of the building, flows down a downspout, and goes into the cistern. And then from the cistern, as the water is needed, it gets put through a series of increasingly fine filters. This filter removes bacteria, and this filter removes viruses. So it's a very, very fine filter. And then we have ultraviolet light, and we actually add a little bit of chlorine to the water and then remove the chlorine at the faucet head because we found some examples of people with drinking well water in their homes who were getting sick, not because of the well water, but because of bacteria that was growing at the faucet and going down the pipe from the faucet head.
After the water is filtered, it can be used in drinking fountains, sinks, and showers within the center. The resulting gray water is then pumped to the constructed wetland on the second-floor roof of the Bullitt Center. The horsetail plants of the constructed wetland absorb the soaps and oils in the gray water. 500 gallons of gray water are filtered through the constructed wetland every day. The resulting treated gray water recharges the aquifer below the center. Any excess water leaves the building to become stormwater and eventually flows into Puget Sound. Nevertheless, until the Washington Department of Health and Seattle Public Utilities grants approval for the use of rainwater, the Bullitt Center is required to use city water. The rainwater must undergo a year of testing before approval can be granted. Once these challenges are overcome, the Bullitt Center will have succeeded in reaching its goal. But ultimately, the founders of the Bullitt Center hope that in the near future, others will be inspired by the ambition of the project, and the Bullitt Center will be surpassed by other self-sustaining designs.